ready to hook up behind it, put a hitch on the back of the
Oh yeah, you can put a hitch on the back.
I'll be 62 feet.
What's the long?
70.